Hello primary 5. Today we'll take new lesson multiplying common fractions. ايه بقى هو multiply common fractions؟ هو ايه الفراكشنز اساسا؟ هو numbers بيبقى من numerator and denominators. احنا خدنا the second lesson unit 1 the fractions and how can we compare between two fractions, وإن الفراكشنز ممكن comparing between them لو كان the same numerator the same denominators أو different numerator different denominators. وكنا دايما we always talking about in the properties of the fractions. If you multiply any fraction or any side from fractions, يعني numerator with number should be multiplied with the same number with denominators. دي بس remembers about the fractions. Now how we can multiplying common fractions. It's very easy lessons. It's very easy lesson. And the first questions from these questions multiply fractions with fractions. هنقول طيب هما it's not equal denominator. طب ازاي it's not equal numerators? It should be we equivalent الدenominator والnumerator في 3 يعني 3 cases في الadditions السبتراكشنز الكومبير. في الاديشن في السبتراكشن في الكومبير لازم يكون should be equal denominator to additions and subtractions. Multiply two fractions. Do as the following. احنا ملاحظين ايه؟ Which what you observe from these questions. 1 times 4 equal 4. 2 times 5 equal 10. طيب ال 4 over 10 from primary 3 we know how we can simplify the fractions. How we can simplify these fractions. 4 over 10. Divide in 4 over 10 even number can divisible by 2. 4 divide 2 equal 2. 10 divide 2 equal 5. Okay? Now multiply the numerators of the two fractions to get the numerator of the products عشان يجيب البرودكتس بتاع النumerator زي ما شفنا كده. طيب multiply the denominator of the two fractions to get the denominators of the products زي ما شفنا. 2 times 5 equal 10. Put the resulting fractions in the simplest form like this. 4 over 10 divide احنا قلنا we said before in properties of fractions if we divide the number for numerator divide the same number with denominators. Multiply number with numerator should be multiply the same number with denominators. These questions multiply the right answer in the simplest form. I don't answer with the same page for this page to think together. After we finish thinking and you can write in your papers or your notes your answer and check with me. 1 times 2 طبعا احنا في multiplying fraction should be multiply numerator times numerator و denominator times denominators. طيب يعني بنعمل ايه؟ 1 times 2 equal 2. 8 times 3 equal 24. طيب احنا ما ينفعش ابدا we can't finish your answer without simplify the fraction if the fraction can simplify. يعني لو كان fraction ينفع يتعمل simplify مش كل الفراكشنز can simplify يعني. طيب another question 1 نعمل 1 times 5 ولا 1 times 4؟ لا 1 times 4 numerator times numerator over denominator times denominators. 1 times 4 equal 4. 2 times 5 equal 10. Then 4 over 10 can simplify. طيب 2 times 3 6. 9 times 14. طب ما these fractions we can change into simplest form. How? Look in the opposite direction. 3 و 9. 3 و 9 in timetable 3 و 2 14 in timetable what? 2. We can simplify 3 with 9 and 2 with 14. How? 2 14 في تايم تيبل 2 يبقى divide 2 divide by 2 equal 1 14 divide 2 equal 7. Now divide 4 و 9 3 و 9 3 divide 3 equal 9 sorry 3 divide 3 equal 1 9 divide 3 equal 3. Then after you finish write in your notes طبعا you can multiply numerator time numerator و denominator time denominator this fractions or this question the same method. Look to opposite directions. 2 و 8 time in timetable 2 3 و 9 in timetable 3 2 divide 2 equal 1 8 divide 2 equal 4 3 divide 3 equal 1 9 divide 3 equal 3 then multiply. طيب solution the first one equal 2 over 24. طيب 2 over 24 can simplify this fraction? Yes. 2 24 multiples of number 2 موجودين في time table 2. 2 divide 2 equal 1 24 divide 2 equal 12. Very good. Bravo. اللي can answer this questions 1 over 12 thank you. B 2 over 5 after we simplify. C 1 over 21 after simplify. D 1 over 12 after simplify. Thank you for student. Thank you for you if you can answer this questions. Second, multiplying a whole number by fractions. Whole number by fractions. احنا قلنا الwhole number هو الانتجر number. طيب like this one 3 times 5 over 8. Any whole number denominator is 1. Okay? Remember always any whole number denominator is 1. Any whole number denominator is 1 again. Any whole number denominator is 1. طب now my method multiply numerator time numerator denominator time denominator. 3 times 5 15. 1 times 8 8. Then answer it will be 15 over 8. Very good. Excellent. Rule. To multiply a whole number by fraction, do as the followings. Put the whole number in the form of a fractions. يبقى احنا هنا عملنا الwhole number in the form of a fractions. 3 بقت 3 over 1. Okay? طيب whose denominator is 1 and the numerator is the whole number. Multiply the two fractions as shown in the multiplying two fractions. طيب question 3. Multiply, then write answer in the simplest form. لازم any fractions should be multiplied after we finish your multiplication should be can simplify or no. Should be simplify any fraction. Now 3 over 5 times 15. We say in any whole number the denominator is what? 1. Any whole number denominator is what? 1. And we can simplify by cross scissors. طيب 15 و 5 في time table ايه؟ 5. 15 divide 5 equal 3. 5 divide 5 equal 1 وهنا الدenominator 1. طيب يبقى هنا الدenominator 1 وهنا الدenominator 1 وهنا 3 وهنا 3. يبقى الانسر it will be 9. 3 times 3 it will be 9. Another method. ال4 go together with ال4. Okay, ال4 go together with ال4. It will be 1. 1 times 1 وهنا الدenominator any whole number أو integer number denominator equal 1. يبقى 4 ممكن نعملها بanother method. 4 times 1 equal 4. 1 times 4 equal 4. 4 over 4 equal 1. Okay? طيب C. 2 over 7 times 21. 21 over what? Over 1. Excellent. طيب, these fractions we can change into simplest form before we multiply. 21 divided 7 equals 3. 21 divided 7 equals 3. Then 2 times 3. هنا بنعمل divide 7 وهنا divide 7. اوكي, احنا بنعمل simplify في بالكروس سيزرز. خلاص, او بالسيزر كروس. هي طريقه كده اللي هي بيكون في بالاوبوزيت, يعني التو نمبر in the same directions بيكونوا هنا ال 21 وال 7 divide. 21 divide 7 و 7 divide 7. 21 divide 7 equals 3. 7 divide 7 equal 1. 2 times 3 equals 6. Okay? Third, multiplying a mixed number by a fraction or a mixed number. How? To multiply a mixed number by fraction or a mixed number, do as follows. Change the mixed number into an improper fractions. Change المixed into improper. Multiplying the two fractions as shown in the multiplying to fraction. For example, multiplying, then write the answer in its simplest form. Now, these fractions, they اسمه ايه؟ the fractions, they mixed numbers. طيب, احنا بنتشينج المixed number, يعني we have two methods. If the mixed number can change or will change into decimal, you can change into decimal. But هيبقى شوية يعني difficult if we multiply decimal number time fractions. If we can change the fractions into decimal time decimal, then we can answer. طيب, another methods, we can change the mixed number into improper fraction. How? Remember, denominator time 5 plus 1, يعني 2 times 5 plus 1. We studied in the primary 4. 2 times 5 plus 1. Then, now the first step, we change the mixed number into fraction. طيب, 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Then 11 over 2. Again, 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 over 2. Then 3 times 11, 5 times 2. 3 times 11, 33. 2 times 5 equals 10. Then 33 over 10 equals 3.3. Go left side. Again, 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Then 11 over 2. 3 times 11 with 2 times 5. 3 times 11, 33. 2 times 5, 10. Then 33 over 10 equals 3.3. Another example. هنا mixed number and fraction. طيب, change mixed number into fractions. How? 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, 5. 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, 5. Then 5 over 3. We say يبقى دي كده الفراكشنز او الميكسد ده change into 5 over 3. لو هنا في two numbers او cross caesar number دول the same number we can cancel or go together. يبقى الانسر هيكون 5 over 10 0.5. Another method, هنا المفروض دي بقت 5 over 3 وهنا 3 over 10. طيب 5 times 3 15 with 5 times 3 15 و 3 times 10 30. 15 over 30 هتبقى half. If we simplify half or change into decimal equals 0.5. Another example, 7 1 over 2 times 2 over 15. طيب, where is a mixed number? 7 1 over 2. Change a mixed number into fraction. How? 2 times 5. 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 over 2. Very good questions. It's very good questions. We can multiply 15 times 2 equals 30, or 2 times 15 equals 30, 30 over 30 equal 1. Another method. 2 go together with 2 يبقى it will be what 1 يبقى 2 بتgo together with 2 وهنا في 15 15 بتgo with ال 15 it will be 1. Okay, again I change the first step. I change the mixed number into fractions. We change the mixed number into fractions. How? 2 times 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 over 2. Time 2 over 15. 2 go together with the 2. Will 15 go together with the 15? It will be 1. Another method. 15 times 2 equals 30. 2 times 15 equals 30. 30 over 30 equal 1. We have this is a website. You can go and watch the video in the website. Thank you for good listening, Primary 5. I hope everyone remember timetable and can understand this lesson with me. Thank you for good listening, Primary 5.